Everyone, greetings of the day, and in my today's lecture series I am continuing my lecture on the area of marketing management. And you know that with the prevalence of the social media marketing, the role of advertisements and the facets of advertisements nowadays are changing, but we cannot forget the role of this print advertisement. Still it's alive in a market. And in the previous years, if we are talking about the way back, the popular corporate houses has utilized the importance of these print advertisements, and which are having the great importance. So here in this lecture I would like to gain your attention that print ads hold a very big importance in advertising and marketing. In the days when there was no internet, as I have already explained, that print ads were one of the most common ways of marketing. Most of our Bollywood stars in the 1980s and 1990s took part in print ads. So we have collected some of the best vintage print ads that will take you back to the memories of the beautiful old days. So at the first place, Amitabh Bachchan, and which we are calling the superstar material, and of course still date the Amitabh Bachchan is having the superstar material, and most of the corporate houses are endorsing the image of the Amitabh Bachchan with their brand image in the advertisements still. So the superstar material which was used by Bombay Dyeing, and Amitabh Bachchan the #1 star in the Bombay Dyeing Cine Bliss Star contest that was used way back. So the Bombay Dyeing print ad used Amitabh Bachchan's stardom to attract customers. If we take it in a funny way, does not it looks like a wanted poster in the police station also, but that's a different matter. Second, Jackie Shroff. Yes, Jackie Shroff, Savage for Man. Yes, if I am talking about this brand and the brand endorser, the Jackie Shroff, at that time the Jackie Shroff was so popular and was always a hunk in the Bollywood industry. This print ad shows the attractive personality of Jackie even in his old days as well. Next we have Salman Khan, the Hero Honda CD100. Yes, when the Hero Honda CD100 was launched by the Hero Honda company at that time, so they have endorsed Salman Khan in their print advertisements. So our Bhaijan was once a very cute and sweet guy. Look at the innocence on his face. Time changes a lot of things, but this guy's stardom and fan following have only increased since then. Then Kishore Kumar, yes, keep your hair glossier, blackier with cooling white Brill cream. This Brill cream is also having importance nowadays. And no offense, but can you imagine the iconic singer Kishore Kumar in the ad of Brill cream? That's again this popular face and the popular voice, the melodious voice of this Kishore Kumar, unforgettable impression in the mind of everyone, right? Fifth one is the Prem Chopra, the villain of all time. That's the Prem Chopra starring in Wo Kaun Thi, uses Vaseline hair cream for that cool look all day. Yes, that was exactly true. And Vaseline, you know that Vaseline is now popular, right? If you have dry skin, and in the new advertisement of Vaseline, right, during this COVID-19 period, they have very meticulously gives the impression that if your hands are helping the others and your hands are getting rough, then you have to use Vaseline also. Another hair cream brand that used in a unique personality for its marketing. Amir Khan, now you have got the power. Yes, this power of Hero Puck. At that time, the Hero Puck was the popular brand, and the days when Amir Khan was not called Mr. Perfectionist, and now we know the secret of his power. Dilip Kumar, the taste of your tongue is packed in this bottle. Yes, Dilip Kumar table taste is. Yes, if pickle, we are calling it the chili pickle. At that time, the chili pickle was introduced, and the Mother India products was utilized the personality and the popularity of Dilip Kumar during that period. So, special introduction of a rupees 20 at that time, right? Rupees 20 is not so small amount. So, the days when Dilip Kumar used to come in pickle ads and give his everything for the promotion. Helen, yes, the dancing queen, and dancing through Helen's heart. Lux, yes, Lux, the pure mildness of Lux helps my complexion stay lovely. That was the Helen which was claiming that Lux has given lots of. So Lux has been using famous Bollywood celebrities from old days since then also, and look at this Lux and featuring Helen. So these amazing print ads gives us the ideas how wonderful and beautiful old days were. Thank you so much, and take care of yourself, and keep loving and keep motivating me for the information and the brand knowledge.